So down here in Dulwich in southeast London, this is another project we started yesterday. So what we're doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Lads started yesterday, so made some good progress. Going to be quite a few bricks to cut out and replace on this project. You can still see the original tuck pointing, the black ribbons on the original brickwork. So what we'll do, get it all cleaned, do some samples for the customers, see what style they want to go for. So there's the original black ribbon that it would have had. We've got the original backing mortar underneath there. Up on the top middle elevation, quite a bit of decoration work to do on here as well. All of the window sills are in real bad condition, so we're going to have to strip all of the paint off all of the window sills, restore the sills, get them all nice and square, ready for decoration. I believe there's lead work to be done on here as well. The old lead flashing, that's going to need replacing. All of the woodwork need decoration as well. There's not too many bricks to replace. We've had a lot worse, so lads are quite confident of saving quite a lot of bricks on the front of this house. Upstairs, same sort of thing on a decoration. All of the columns are completely fractured and cracked all the way through, so we're better off burning all of the paint off of that and then restoring all of the stonework underneath. The woodwork is all completely rotten on this gable. That's completely in a bad way, so we'll have to get all this paint off of this, see if there's any timber work to restore and replace underneath there. Probably replacing the spindles and stuff as well. Yeah, this is completely rotten all the way through here, so that's definitely going to need looking at. Get my carpenter out to have a little look at that. But so far so good. Everything's going well. It's going to be a massive transformation. This show you some more updates in the next couple of weeks once it's all been cleaned. Get some samples on the wall, get all these bad bricks replaced, start burning all this paint off and transform this once again to the best looking house on the street as always. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So this is just a little update video of our project we were currently working on last week in Dulwich. So the lads have got all of the Pebbledash off all of the brickwork now. All of the brickwork's been cleaned. Started cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. Still got a few bricks to cut out and replace that are all marked up, ready to be cut out and replaced. Started burning all of the paint off all of the stonework. So all of the old blistered and flaky paint is now all off. Going to restore all of the stonework before we can do any painting to it. So smooth it all out, fill it all, get it all nice and smooth, get all of the edges and the arises on the window sills nice and square. Same sort of thing upstairs. All the paint's been taken off all of the window sills now and all of the stonework. So quite a few cracks in the stonework in areas, so we restore all of this, get all of that in perfect condition. Got a chunk of stone that's fallen off there. Got the roofers coming out this week to have a little look at the roof work. Got a carpenter coming out to have a little look at this woodwork as well. On this stonework on this column here, it's all fractured and blown all the way through there, so we'll have to do some pinning and some restoration on that as well. And we're going to have to retrim the edges of these windows where they had the old Pebbledash. It's obviously been brought out to the edge of this trim, so we're going to have to retrim all of these windows so there's no gaps between the brickwork now and these UPVC windows. As you can see along the side of that collar joint now, you would have had the Pebbledash coming right out to there, so we're going to have to get someone to come in and retrim all of there. But so far so good. All of the paint's off now. Going to be some work to do on this woodwork here. Do some samples, have some pointing styles this week. Customer can pick what they want and then we can get cracking with that as well. So all good on this project. All going really well, and we'll show you some more progress in the next week or so once we know what style of pointing we're doing, and we'll get all of this stonework restored as well. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So this is just a little update video of our Dulwich project we're currently working on. So we've started all of the pointing today. Good day's progress. Nice lime mortar finish. Lime mortar and a penny roll finish, should I say. All of the gable has been done today. Got a little bit done in on the corner, all of the way down there. So we'll carry on tomorrow, all the way through here. All of the gable's been done now, looks really nice. Nice, straight, super sharp lines as always. It's stonework. I'm going to agree some prices with the customer to restore all this stonework. Loads of defect stone in many areas. If you look back, scroll back on our previous videos, you'll see all of the paint is hiding, all of the crack there on that column, so we'll have to restore that. Parts of the capital is going to need restoring. All got all the stone joints, all got to be pointed up. When they fitted the windows, we've got massive voids all the way down these windows. Now we've taken all the old collars out, so we've got massive gaps all the way through where they've made the windows shorter, where the old Pebbledash was. So we better get to Selco's and buy quite a bit of expanded filler for all of this. And more stonework all to be restored on here. Renovation down below. Corbels all loose, they've all got to go back in. This window sill here, that's all got to be restored properly. That's not in good enough condition for us to leave in paint, but that's all got to be restored. All of these sills have got to be restored, all of the ends of the sides are all rotten. Restore all of them. More cracks and fractures all through the stone here, so we'll have to take them out, do new indents on that. Stone pointing all the way through here. Big chunk of stone has just cracked and fallen off on now. This sill here is all going to need restoring. It's all rotten again all the way through here. Be a case of squaring up all of these corbels. They're no good to be painted, can't leave them like that. So all of these edges, we'll square all of them up, restore all of them. And then it's going to be the same sort of thing downstairs as well, restoring all. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is an update video of our Pebbledash removal project we're currently working on. So what we've done so far on the front of this house is removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork. It used to look like this house next door. The property was suffering from a lot of damp issues where water was penetrating in behind the old Pebbledash, causing a lot of internal damp. So we've taken all the Pebbledash off, brick cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish, changed around about 132 bricks on the front of this property. What's next phase is the stonework. So all of the stonework's in real bad condition, all of the paint's been taken off now. Going to restore all of the stonework, get all of the bases nice and sharp, all of these nosings nice and square, ready for decoration. All of the window sills, they're all going to be restored and made good and filled. We're going to put a new plinth on the base of the property. That's all completely blown. That will finish all the way around into the porch area and coming along here. Upstairs, what we've got to do is we're going to do new guttering on the front of the roof part here. So new guttering along here, new downpipe coming in there, new lead work around the porch roof here. So I put a step flashing lead work coming all the way through here. Cut back and restore this window sill. That's not good enough for decoration, so we'll cut all of that back and restore all of that. Then all the stonework on this elevation's all got to be made good, where it's all cracked and damaged. We'll pin all that, make good, fill everything, get all that all sharp, ready for decoration as well. There's quite a few chunks of stone that have just fallen apart when we was taking the Pebbledash off. A lot of rusting in there, so that's all got to be treated and made good. Stonework underneath the window sills, they're all in bad condition, so they're all going to need restoring and squaring up. Same sort of thing for the stonework on the bases, make good to all them. Some work to do on the corbels upstairs. So again, restoring all of this column all the way down here. That's all in real bad condition. That's going to need restoring. More stone indents to do up on this top elevation. Then all of the woodwork is all completely rotten, so we've got to see if we can get a new, well, we will do, get new timber to match. It'll be made in the workshop and restore all of that all the way down, so it'll have all the original features. I think we've got a few missing spindles and stuff. Yeah, we have some missing spindles there, all got to be made up as well. New fascia, soffit and guttering. This is not in good enough condition. The water's just overshooting the gutter in there, just coming down the building, so make good to all of that. Then obviously decoration to all of the woodwork as well. Same sort of thing with the stonework on here. Filling, making good and preparing all of that ready for painting. So woodwork, decoration work and roof work, rainwater goods to be done on here, and then that'll all be buttoned up as well. But as you can see, Repointing's really set it off now, so we're quite damp still in a lot of areas. Still waiting for it to dry out to its uniform colour. Got certain areas where it is drying quite nicely, so we'll keep our eye on that. So this one is all going swimmingly well as well. So once we get some more work underway, I think we'll get the roofing work done next, get all of that watertight before we start any decoration work, and then we'll start all of this stonework, get all of that restored, decorated and painted. All of the woodwork on stonework on this, that'll all be decorated and rubbed down as well. Bits and pieces on the capitals as well. So everything's going really well on this project. More happy customers. It's going to look really nice once it's all finished off and we complete everything on here. So as always, if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.